Preventative maintenance is the best way to ensure your equipment's longevity. Performing a used oil analysis can extend the life of your equipment and lubrication. Your Jax representative can help you implement a routine oil sampling program. A routine program gives you the ability to determine the useful life of your lubricants and identify problems. Being proactive means you can address potential problems earlier and minimize machinery downtime. Whether you're taking an oil sample or a hydraulic fluid sample, the process is similar. Before you begin, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, oil samples should be taken not more than 30 minutes after shutdown, and the oil should have been in service for at least 10 hours or 500 miles. This ensures that the oil can accurately reflect wear conditions. Oil samples should be taken upstream of filters and downstream of machine components. Filters are designed to remove wear debris and contaminants, so the data would be useless if taken downstream of the filter. When taking a fluid sample, first, fill out the sample bottle labels for the equipment you'll be sampling. This will help ensure you do not confuse samples from different units. Do not remove the sample bottle cap until you are ready to take the sample. While there are several methods to take a sample, we recommend using a suction pump, also known as a vampire pump. Make sure sampling equipment is clean. Do not reuse the tubing. To use the pump, remove the plug or open the reservoir. Then insert the siphon tube down the dipstick tube or into the oil reservoir and pull the sample. Fill the sample bottle to the neck and replace the cap immediately after filling to prevent contamination. Fill out the paperwork completely and mail the sample bottle and paperwork to Jax RPM Lab. To prevent cross-contamination, discard the siphon tube after each use. Some equipment may require you to take a sample utilizing the drain plug. To do this, first clean around the drain plug to avoid contamination of the sample. Then remove the drain plug and begin draining the oil. When about half of the oil has run out, catch the sample by inserting the bottle into the oil stream. When finished, replace the drain plug. For engines that use oil sampling valves, it is important to ensure that sampling valves and sampling devices are thoroughly flushed prior to taking the sample. Then follow the instructions pertaining to the sampling device. It is important to be consistent when naming your machinery to monitor historical trends on that machine. The Jax RPM laboratory provides detailed lab reports after thorough analysis of each test sample. Comments are made on each report by qualified and experienced lab personnel based upon individual review of each report. These include current test results, historical test results, and trends. You'll find an easy-to-read, color-coded comment section that corresponds with the test results. A green report indicates that no problems have been detected. Yellow indicates you should monitor closely and observe the trends. And a red report indicates that immediate action is required. Remember, a routine used oil analysis is the best preventative maintenance to extend the life of your equipment and lubrication.